Hey guys, I am in the kitchen in where am I? Soneva Kiri, and Chef Ram has been helping me out for the last couple of days doing my supper club. Chef Ram is from Nepal, and he has agreed to show me how to make proper Nepalese chicken momos, and I'm so excited. Thankfully, I have my phone with me so I can record it and share the recipe with you. He's going to quickly collect all the ingredients, so in that time, go and subscribe and hit the bell button. And I am super excited because he is Nepalese and he knows the cuisine in and out, and he's going to show me the real way to do it. So we're starting with chicken, no skin, no bone, and we need chicken keema, which is minced chicken. So this is a best way, he says, to get the minced chicken. ऐसे ही बनाते क्या हर समय minced chicken? तो शेफ राम आप कितने टाइम से खाना बना रहे हैं? From 15-20 years he's been cooking.
25 gram chicken means.
हाँ.
So you have to put 100 grams of onion.
अच्छा.
Fine chop onion.
हाँ.
And little bit of the chopped coriander and green chili, chopped green chili.
Okay.
And little oil and salt and little bit masala, garam masala.
Okay.
If you have the momo masala, you can use it. If you don't have, you can use the garam masala also.
Now these are the knife skills I need to learn. I'm happy with my roughly chopped and blunt knives. So the chicken mince and finely chopped onion.
Coriander.
1 teaspoon cumin powder. 1 teaspoon?
1.5, little bit more.
Okay. 1.5 teaspoon garam masala.
Ginger garlic paste.
Okay.
So now we go to put some salt and cooking oil also.
Okay.
And after that we mix it.
Okay. Salt to taste, or 3/4 teaspoon, and a tiny bit of 1 tablespoon of cooking oil.
Oil, yes. After that mix.
Okay. And now mix it by hand or whatever. So this needs to sit in the spices for 10 minutes, and in that time, chef is going to prepare a chutney to go with the momos. Now for the dough, we're using plain flour, all-purpose flour, and 1 egg. 400 grams and 1 egg.
Salt and half tablespoon for the oil.
Okay.
So that we mix.
Okay.
All mix.
And just knead it with some water. तो इसको आप रेस्ट भी करते हो क्या, या
रेस्ट करना पड़ता है?
रेस्ट करना पड़ता है ना.
कम से कम 10-15-20 मिनट रेस्ट करेंगे तो अच्छा.
Okay. And once it's kneaded, it needs to be rested for 10-15 minutes. तो काफी hard dough है.
Hard dough है.
So it's not a super soft dough, just a slightly harder dough that rolls easily. Okay. Oh, proper hard है. काफी hard है. So this is going to rest for 10 minutes while he's going to make some chutney. So roughly chopped 4 tomatoes. We're going to blend it in a minute, so it doesn't matter how you chop it. And 4 tomatoes. And you can prepare it in advance, put it in the fridge.
Oil.
Kौन सा oil?
Cooking oil, any oil.
Oil.
Like
Okay.
Two red chili.
Okay. So 2 to 3 tablespoons of cooking oil, and then 2 dried red chilies broken up into pieces, and let them sizzle. Couple of garlic cloves. So after a minute of cooking the garlic and chili, add in the tomatoes, and now cook this.
Turmeric.
Take
Soda.
half a
Color के लिए.
teaspoon.
Yes.
Oh, acha. Half a teaspoon of turmeric for color.
Roast किया हुआ
Acha.
है.
Okay.
Two tablespoons.
Wow. Okay. So roasted sesame seeds, 2 tablespoons. Add to the tomatoes. 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds going afterwards, not first. And a tiny splash of water, around 100 ml. Chef's added hot water. So you have to cook the tomatoes until they have softened nicely. So salt to taste. I think he's adding half a teaspoon, 3/4, but you can add it to taste. कुछ मीठा नहीं, मतलब sugar नहीं, no sugar, nothing.
Lime juice, little bit.
Okay, lime juice. Okay, so he's just oil the plate so that the momos don't stick. That's a chicken filling, and that's the momo dough. The dough size, like portions, are like cherry size. Covered in flour. Put the chicken filling and then pinch. Wow. That's a perfect looking momo. Another style of holding. Oh!
इसके बाद आपको इसको यहाँ से
ऐसे?
हाँ जी। मैं दिखाता हूँ
हाँ।
आपको साथ-साथ। ऐसा ऐसा लंबा
और लंबे में करूँ, ओके.
ऐसे
हाँ.
लंबा है ना?
हाँ.
इसको आगे बढ़ा, हाथ को आगे बढ़ा दिया। मतलब इसको आगे आगे इसको हाथ को आप आगे लेके जाते हैं और इसको भी मूव कर दे रहे हो आप। और यहाँ दबा दो, फिर मूव कर दो थोड़ा सा हाथ। हाँ जी, थोड़ा और मूव करो।
Not bad. I know. तभी वो curve हो जाता है. That's why it curves. Because mine never curves. Oh, that's why it curves. Look. Not bad at all. अभी मुझे वो round वाला करना है. I want to make the round वाला.
Round वाला। हल्का इसको हाँ जी, इसको एकदम वो करने दो, हल्का सा। तो आप इसको हाँ जी दबाइए और थोड़ा मुँह इसको भी एक हाथ से इसको अंदर डालिए।
So you can see that's what chef has done, and that's what I have done. And actually, it's not too bad for the first attempt, and that's my attempt, as you can tell. Now we're gonna steam it. कितनी देर के लिए?
10 मिनट।
10 minutes of steaming.
इसमें पहले ऑयल डालना है ना?
Put some oil, otherwise it will stick. So oil the plate, oil the steamer, and then steam it for 10 minutes. Perfect. So in the time we were making the momos, the tomatoes have softened up nicely, and this can be blended. So that's the chutney ready. Don't add any water to it because there's enough liquid to help grind it. It looks smooth and smells amazing. And finish the chutney with just a squeeze of lemon or lime juice. Chutney is ready. So timer is up, steamed for 10 minutes, and chef says that one way to know that it's cooked is that the momos kind of fluff up. Okay, it's time for taste test. आइए शेफ, आ जाओ सब लोग आ जाओ, ये लीजिए, खाएंगे ना?
पहले आप लोग करते हैं।
हलवाई अपनी मिठाई नहीं खाएगा।
Oh my god. Wow. ये चटनी कितनी स्वाद है. Oh, that chutney is wow. It's so juicy. Look at that. Look at that. Absolutely stunning and so easy to prepare. Tastes incredible. Right, chef, thank you so much.
Thank you so much.
Please try. And if you are visiting Soneva Kiri, then you will meet Chef Ram and taste this amazing food. Don't forget to subscribe, and I really hope you'll enjoy this, guys. Thank you, chef.
so
Thank
much.
you.